In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code folders in Google Drive, making it easier for you to visually organize and quickly access your important files. Color coding is a great way to enhance your workflow, especially if you are collaborating with others or managing multiple projects. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive. Open your web browser and type Google Drive into the search bar. You'll see Google Drive pop up as one of the top search results. Click on it, and if you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Make sure to sign in with the one you want to access your drive with. Once you're inside Google Drive, locate the folder you want to color code. You might have many folders, so feel free to use the search bar at the top of the page if you need to quickly navigate to the one you're working on. Simply click on the folder to highlight it. Next, pay attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent more actions you can take with the selected folder. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for the option that says Organize. Clicking on it will bring up an additional set of choices. Among these options, you will find another choice labeled Change Color, or simply Folder Color. Click on this. A palette will appear, showing several different colors you can choose from. Now this is your chance to get creative. Consider using different colors for different types of projects. Perhaps assigning red for urgent folders or blue for projects that are in the brainstorming stage. Hover your cursor over the colors and take a moment to consider the options. When you find the color that's just right for your folder, go ahead and click on it. Instantly, your folder will change to the color you selected. This new visual cue can significantly enhance your ability to locate and manage files in your drive. That's all there is to it. You can repeat this process for each folder you want to color code. Over time, you'll find that the color coding system can really help in minimizing the time spent searching for files or folders, and can also help in catching your eye if something needs urgent attention. Feel free to adjust your color choices as your organizational needs evolve. Happy organizing, and enjoy the benefits of having a more visually appealing and systematic Google Drive. Remember, good organization is key to boosting productivity, and color coding is a simple yet powerful tool to help with just that. Thank you for watching.